Let's quickly look at this Hamster Kombat. I posted the message I got from their group, all the tactics they've been using. I posted it on the group yesterday, but in case you don't understand, this is the main message here. Now, we all know that this Hamster Kombat of a thing is kind of tricky. Now, every one of us will be stashing this particular coin, this one that is showing 22,336,000. But at the end of the day, it is this profit per hour Hamster Kombat is going to use. In case you don't know, this profit per hour is what they are going to use to give us a drop. Now, if you go through the message I've sent to the group before, you will get to understand that better. Now, what I will advise you is, while you are stashing this coin, this coin indicates the level you are. At the same time, while you are buying this, you need to get to the highest level. I am currently at Grandmaster in my first account. Now, I have more than one account on this phone. So, what I would advise you is ensure you are leveling up, and at the same time you are improving your mining power. Now, if you are a newbie on the group or you just started Hamster Kombat, what I would advise you to do is ensure you get to at least 500k per hour. This account is heading to 50 million and it's currently making 368k per hour, so which is a good this thing to start. And why I said this leveling up is very important, you never can tell, aside from the fact that they want to reward us with the amounts we mine per hour. And how do you even mine? In case you don't know, go to mine, then buy any of these cards. Okay, now invest wisely. What I would advise to do is how to spot the card to buy and the card not to buy. Now let's look at some of this card. This fans token is currently at level 14, and for me to get to level 15, they are requesting I pay 3.3 M of this coin to be mining 2.45k per hour. Now, the amount you pay to purchase this next level is 3.3, while the amount is to mine for you is 2.45k per hour. So I'm not ready to purchase this now, but I will purchase this later. Now, this is what I advise people to do. If you are trying to level up, this is what I normally do. Now, I am currently at 11.9 million in this account, and I want to purchase more cards, but I don't want to go below 11. Now, this is what I do. I'm going to look at cards that I will buy with just this 993,000. So let me pick either this global something. So I'll just click on go ahead. Now, I was at 3.60 something before. Now I'm currently at 3.71,000 per hour. So, and I've not go English. Anyway, my coin level is still around 11 million. So that's what I will be doing, and that's what I will encourage you to do until when you get to the highest level. You can see I've gotten to Grandmaster in this stage. Now, in case you don't understand how this global ranking is done, how it is done. Now, if you go to Grandmaster, you can see my current level. I'm currently at level 10,000 plus, which means I don't even get level at all. And this Hamster Kombat shows the top 100 people. Now, you will be wondering, if these people are in Grandmaster, it should be showing millions of their coin, like hundreds of millions. But why is it showing 1.668 million 674 for the top, for the number one in the whole world in Grandmaster level? The reason why is that this person is mining 1,668,000 per hour. Now, if anybody should top him with extra one, that person will become the number one in the whole world. So, which means these guys, they've been investing more on cards. Now, if you go to master level, this is the number one person under master level. This person is mining 1,312,000 per hour. So these people have spent a lot of their coin. I'm 100% sure that these people are not stacking their coins, so which make that coins useless. You get the message from the group. It makes that coin useless. The group, or the message on the group says we all should we should we should not be sheep monks and be hamster. Invest in all promising technology instead of just saving funds. Buy cards, you will use it in future. That's what they said. They said you can see, I love these people. They are very straightforward. They are pretty straightforward. Instead of them to be tricking us to accumulate that coin, and at the end of the day they will burn it, they are telling us buy card, and they even make that buy card to be bold in capital letter. That's number two message here. Number one message that I first got here is a pro tip. Boost your passive income. Buy the cards, invest wisely. That is no need to stash those coins. No need to stash those coins. Spend them. Now the last message here: make sure every new card counts in developing your virtual exchange. They are all key players for the next big drops. In case you don't understand what drops is airdrop. Now they are telling us they are all big key players, like they are the main players. They are the major factors that will determine how much we are going to get from this project. So, guys, I would advise you guys to please work on it, and buy more cars. In fact, your minimum target, I told you yesterday, at least get to 500k per hour. You all have to get to at least 500k per hour, and if you get 500k, aim at 1 million. Now I'm currently going for 1 million in this first account. I'm heading to 1 million, my first 1 million. When I get to 1 million, I'll be heading to 1.5 million or 2 million. So before this project decide to make the first set of drops, I will advise you guys to have accumulate a lot of mining per hour. Please, I wish all of us all the best. As you are leveling up, be working on your mining per hour. It is very, very important. So these are the two major factors: level and mining per hour. But they capitalize more on mining per hour, and at the same time I believe that they might use level to also consider additional drops for us. So if you still have any message or any question, or something is still not clear, just reach out to me. I will be ready to attend to your challenges. All the best, guys. All the best.